Welcome back to Kids Cooking Adventure, and today we're going to be making this delicious apple pie. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. You will need 50 grams of icing sugar, 125 grams of unsalted butter, cubed and softened, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, some ground ginger and some ground cinnamon, 1 beaten egg, 50 grams of sugar, 250 grams of plain flour and 1 kilogram of apples. Let's get started. So first we need to mix the flour with the icing sugar and then rub in the butter cubes. So like that. So once you've rubbed all the butter in, it should look a little something like this. Once you've rubbed it all in, add egg. So add about maybe 2/3 of the egg, like this. Then mix it up. So now it should look like this. Now, once it's like this, just squish it together into a ball of dough. So this is the dough. We'll wrap it up in cling film and chill it for about 20 minutes in the fridge. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So now we need to mix the apples with the sugar, corn flour and some ginger and cinnamon. So once the apples are all mixed up, get the dough out of the fridge, sprinkle some flour on the surface so it doesn't stick, and put some flour on the rolling pin and separate 1/3 of it for the top and 2/3 of it for the base, and so roll it out into a circle. Once it's in a rough circle, lift it up and put it in and squidge it out onto the edges and over like that. So now that this is all fitted out, pour in the apples like that and spread them out like that. When the apples are in, roll out the top. When you put the top on, glaze it with the rest of the egg. Now put it in the oven for 20 minutes. So now that it's out the oven, let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. So there you have your apple crumble. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the by clicking the button here. See you next time. Bye.